As observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30° and 45°. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the ship. So again, my request is try to draw. Pause and try to draw. So this is the sea, and you have the sea shore, and on that we have a lighthouse, right? So okay, we'll just complete the diagram. We are looking at two things, two ships, right? We are looking at two ships. So they are a few meters apart, I guess. I mean, we don't know exactly. What else? Where is that we are observing? As observed from top of a 75-meter. Okay, we are observing from this the angle of depression of two angles. Okay, so now the important thing is we are observing the ships. Okay, more than this, actually, I wanted to tell was the most important thing is this, the horizontal line. Okay, so this is what we are looking at. With respect to this is we measure everything else. So we have to be careful while writing the measurements. So the angle of depression of the two ship is 30 and 45. So which is 30 and which is 45? So this is 30 and this is 45, or this is 45 or this is 30? Well, I gave you the wrong diagram. This or this. So which is 30 and which is 45? Obviously this is 30 and this is 45. Okay. This has a bigger mouth and this has a smaller mouth. So this has to be 45 and this has to be 30. This will ease our calculation. Now all I have to do is complete the diagram, extend this. Okay. Why is that I did? And as observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level. So the measurements happen from this. Okay, so measurement happens from sea level to the top. So now, what is that we're looking at? We're looking at triangle ABCD. So we have to find the distance between the ships, that is CD. Okay, so we begin with telling that angle, this particular angle and this particular angle are 45 and 30. So for that, we need to begin with as A, we'll call this as AM is parallel to BD. Angle BCA is equal to angle CAM is equal to 45°. Angle BDA is equal to angle DAM is equal to 30°. And both of these are alternative interior angles. Next thing, we need to calculate BCA and PD so as to get CD. They want the find the distance between the ships. So basically we have to find CD, is it not? So let's calculate CB first. In triangle, where do we get that? ABC. In triangle ABC, we have tan of 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So AB, this is 1, this is 75, and if I transpose BC, BC into 1 is equal to 75 meters. So this is 75 meters. Now the next thing is calculating BD. For that we need to talk about triangle ABD. tan 30 is equal to opposite y adjacent. So BC plus CD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to AB is 75, then BC is 75 plus CD, we'll call it as X for ease of writing, right? Then it's just a matter of calculation. So if I cross multiply in things, so 75 plus X is equal to 75 root 3, and therefore X is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75, and you can write the distance between ships is 75 root of 3 minus 1 meters. Okay, so now pause and have a look. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python, we'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. There are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.